Umitirang ba kasorkar jela Conrad ke sangma mentakasi ka khandai terik noi weng arjar puar ulapli pai ba eka community and rural development block bathmai po Rambrai ka jelang ka penlong Rambrai West Kasil sik hakati kasi lai don lang ru ameli ka nong stoin ba maximum bersat ameli ka Rambrai ba kempa es marmanyang UMDC ka Rambrai ba bajapong rob UDC bat SP ka West Kasil bat kwei hakati kasi nakaliang mutirang ba ulayoru bersam ru iski ma pair sik pai ba ka thain kan thop yak scheme focus yes Meghalaya ka scheme ris yang bat Atiar nakbenta ki Conrad ka jingra pisa nakbenta ki SSG bat kiwe haba ajing kran hakate ka si nakleong Conrad sang mau lo ong ba ka jingple ka Rambrai C&RD block kanlong kanung muna ka bakordor ipai ba bat kani ka jingple ka block kanlong ka sinjam banwan ra ya ka roi ka par bat kanlong ru ka jingker khu ya ki shnong ki thau hapo ka thai Rambrai
that the blocks are the core development units for our state. The blocks are the most important administrative units when it comes to the schemes and programs that are meant for the people. And hence, it is very important that there should be accessibility to the blocks at all different levels in all corners of the state. For the people of Rambrai in the past, they had to go to very far off locations to be able to get basic services of the block. But now, with the functioning and setting up and inauguration of this block, I'm sure that the service will come closer to the people.
Today, along with your local MLA, along with the MLA from Nongstoin and our MDC from Rambrai, to share this great moment with you, where we are inaugurating this new C&RD block. And you have to remember, when I say inaugurating, we are not laying foundation stone. The block will start functioning from today. This is the inauguration. That means BDO will start sitting here. Our BDO also is a young man. I'm sure that he will work with full and complete dedication to the people of Rambrai area. May take us few weeks to get the system in place. May take us few months to get all the services rolled out. But I can assure you, and I would also like to urge the BDO, I would like to urge the C&RD department, and I would like to urge the Deputy Commissioner to ensure that the Rambrai C&RD block becomes fully functional with all infrastructure that is required and the manpower required so that the people of this area can get the complete service of a full and functional block.
Ano kita kitang ba to ginoy? Nang sudah bang kuwe jaman ng South Suntur, Diamond BO Ginyong Sports Social and Cultural Club South Pojar. Shanay lang BO nang kedai Lailak Pinyayo. Kajing tres tong jupi pio yung so batian benang penhe peniar yakakam lingba ka